The one word that I would use to describe Arch would be responsibility. Everybody takes very seriously the responsibility to perform and do great for the customer, but also the corporate Arch does a great job of being responsible and taking care of their employees. My name's Nicholas Ellis. I currently work as a applications lead. I bridge the gap between the engineering and the floor and production and figure out different scenarios and problems and try to troubleshoot. The benefit to having a more family environment in the workplace, what I think would be being able to trust your coworkers and trust your HR. Like, you can trust the people in the corporation to do what's right for not only you, but your family as well. Arch is an employer of choice because of the different opportunities that you can have at Arch. I haven't worked for any other places that I've been able to have the opportunities and the resources to achieve my goals at my job like Arch gives me. So that's why Arch is an employer of choice.